checking in on the white throat here, clutch of 5. Doing brilliantly. The beauty of this, it's in like a bramble rush mixture. Yeah, we'll get out. Just a quick check on these linnet youngsters. I think there's 2 in there and one's perched up. No, there's 3. There's 3 in there. One's perched up a bit, so we'll get out. That's great news, they're little beauties. Clutch of 4, get out. I think this one in here is a new song thrush nest. Yeah, I think the blossom in the bottom. Yeah, I think all the paint's still drying on that. Wonder if that is eggshell. When I first looked at that, I thought that was ready to go, but I think that might be a little bit of eggshell in there. Right, get out. Well, just a few metres from that song thrush nest. Just at the side of this field here. Predation with that one as well. So song thrush this year, I mean, well into double figures for the nests, active nests. 3 that I've getting out. But the predation on them this year has been woeful. Right, shame. Just in there, it's a magnificent little chiffchaff nest. The female's kicking right off of there. I can't see in it, but it has got youngsters in there. They're quite small, but it's in like this little. It's got a bramble over the top, but it's a reed. It's like a reed. Oh, it's a reed bed. It's in like, well, the rushes. Look at that. It's absolutely magnificent. Get out now, because she's on top of us now. Look at that. Beauty. And got a brand new Yellowhammer. It's got the solitary egg. What a beauty. It's a lovely nest. There. Beauty. Markings on that. Beautiful. All the thick grasses that line it. A bit of animal hair in there as well. Oh, it's a beauty. Yeah, I'm not going to get across to the other one that I had found this time last week actually. So that had the solitary egg that was higher on the bank side. That's a tough stretch. But nah, great to find this one. I'll get to them next week, the blackbird as well. Right, we'll get out. Just looking low in the gorse here, and the little LBJ flew out. Hasn't made a noise. It's got very young chicks in there. I don't know what you're getting there, but yeah, look, there's the nest. I'm thinking willow warbler on that, I have to say. I've just come across that other one in the rushes, and they were all over us. This is obviously still sitting on these very young hatchlings here. A lot of moss on the top, base of a gorse, very low. I am thinking willow warbler. Might sit up at the top, see if it'll alarm back in, and maybe able to identify it through that. But Chiffchaff or willow warbler, I'm thinking willow warbler. Right, we'll get out. Yeah, just looking through here, this is a fence line dunnock. Exactly a week ago since I've seen them two chicks in. I don't think it's made it out of here actually. Egg. I'll see if I can push it. Yeah, that's all cracked that inside that egg. A bit of a mess there. They were a decent size last week, but nah, I think there's something been in there, which is a shame. I suspect with the pretty big chicks there. Let's have a look at the leg. Right, we'll get out. Just looking in here, you see this one. That is a common way through going in there. See if I can get a closer look. Yeah, he's building that up there. Yeah, bit to go. Beauty. Right, we'll cover this back in the bramble. Nice one. Great stuff. Just in this little bit of gorse. Brand new Yellowhammer gone in there. He's a beauty. He's on a little bit of a tilt. Just been listening to the Yellowhammers just perched up here, and that looks like the nest to me, but just off on a little bit of a tilt. Right, we'll get out. Just check in on this way through it now. Again, touch of fine. This is a little, no bird. This is a little beauty, this. Yeah. And the rain started to, I can feel a few spots there. We're going to get out. Right, that's it.